Around the age of 70 days, Pup is going to respond to his name. It is now time to begin preschool.
We're going to use the preschool period, or days 49 through 84, to teach Pup a lot of different skills. But they're all going to be done through fun and games. There will be no harsh voices or discipline. Now, Pup has a lot of genes that make him want to retrieve, and it's our job as a trainer to wake those genes up. And we're going to do that through fun bumpers. We're going to tease Pup with the bumper and say, hup, 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 throw the bumper out. Good boy, okay, good boy, here. What do you do if Pup decides not to retrieve? Just keep teasing him with that bumper until he gets so excited that he has to have it. Nurturing Pup's desire to retrieve should be done in the home also. We're going to do this through fun retrieves. A great place to do it is in a hallway. It confines the pup and keeps him from running off. We're going to tease him. Hup, hup, hup. Okay, here.